First knife in the air, and the last one to leave the circle wins.
Everyone's in the circle, right? How high are you throwing? Very high?
Not that high. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Who won? Who won?
Definitely
Not you.
Hey boys, what are we about to do?
Did you bring an extra jacket?
What are we about to do, Josh?
Kill some mountain lions.
Yeah, what are we about to do, Matt?
We're gonna kill some deer.
What are we doing, Freddie?
You heard the man.
Where we at?
Nowhere.
It's 113.
Yeah, break some trees so we don't get lost.
Can you help me?
A few moments later.
I got you.
Oh, crazy.
What are you doing?
You were trying to break a branch.
What are you guys guessing? Deer?
Man,
Moose? No, don't cut.
What about if we have to
see
cut
if
out
it's
oranges
warm.
with that?
See if it's fresh.
No. Touch it, yeah, touch it with your hand. Touch it with your hand.
Just like...
Not the knife, just in case we need to cut our food.
My hand?
Do it. I have faith in you. Alright, good.
Oh, that's fresh.
Oh, that is fresh. Yes, it's so fresh.
Give it a sniff.
You move. Turn towards him. So show your giant.
We're gonna spear a mink, and this is what's gonna happen. The mink will survive.
I'm the lightest, so I think I should go.
Oh! Yeah, where's the
You don't
goal
need
here?
to cut it, you can break it.
You dropped the knife?
Just it there. Use your knee. No, not like that. Like knee it, yeah. Oh, so, yeah, there you go.
There you go, Ken.
Whoa, careful you waving that shit around.
Oh, bird!
Sit. Oh, Kenny.
Hey, what? So the rule is, last one to see the animal, everyone else gets to peg a snowball at the...
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Finally, we see some sign.
Alright, go. Someone go read the sign without falling in.
B2 chain? B2 chain?
Oh! Yeah, maybe not.
We crawl. Yeah, give it a shot.
You guys have like...
Oh, there you go, Josh. Oh, you good, Josh.
Carry out litter.
Oh,
You're on wet season. The track condition is muddy. Please wear appropriate footwear.
No one gives a about that.
Right now, the population of Asian people is 1, the population of black people is 1, and the population of Aussies is 2.
Oh.
How about 2 go that way and 2 go this way?
Just think about the map. What did it look like? Any idea?
Well, Josh was looking at the map.
Take a picture of them. No!
Because we have no reception.
Yeah.
So you
You
no
can't
reception?
take photos when you have reception.
What?
Yeah, you
What?
can't. Rate this quality of snow.
No.
Where are we going?
Don't much, no.
You gotta go drink water out of that running stream. 2, 1,
3.
both of you do it.
What? What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
3 and 2 is up to 5.
You're right.
Take a couple mouthfuls.
Hey, that's Poland spring quality, boy.
Yeah, we got the freshest water in the block, boy.
Yeah. All you gotta do is just get in good position.
That's some science 101 right there.
What's the science, Matt?
Put the bag on the floor, take your shoes off, stand on your bag, then you don't get wet feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw your drawers away, man. How to cure chafing 101.
That's so good.
So we drove an hour and a half to find a trail, and all the trails are knees deep in snow, so we're just walking along the road, and I don't think we're gonna be heading on a trail today. It's been 4 hours. Oh, yeah, knees deep in snow. I'm trying to make a fire.
What we do need?
So, we're wondering why there was no people here. Turns out we found out the road is closed till the 1st of May.
On the hunt for some dry leaves.
Ah, these are dry, these are dry, these are dry.
I think because.
Mamma mia. Boys.
Cheese.
Adventures with B2.
That's the cooler.
Yeah, she stole. She said, ah, I'm gonna go for you, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I said I'm going for you, bro. Yeah, bro. Take it away, Matt Attard. He said he wants the bros. He said he wants the girls all over the fucking world. I said, I said, go ahead, Matt.
Let me talk to my friends. Gonna go to the end. I hit that band. Pussy like a man.
Pussy like a man. So we've been walking for 2 hours at least, and this place is closed, so we're heading back home. Was it worth it?
Yes.
This is love.
Oh, me. There's no place for jokes out here, man.
That's what we're doing?
It's winter, but the sun's out. Shout coach gonna call me Chubby Panda.
Race him up here.
Finish line is.
Touch that rock up
red
there.
rock?
That one, the rock.
It's gonna be deep here.
Huh? Part of the challenge.
Alright, damn.
Part of the challenge, boy. Ready? 1, go. Oh, man, come on!
Long jump, Sean. Broad jump. Just come straight up.
Being shortest in the group definitely sucks because you're always left behind. Let's get this head start. By the way, Freddie's not wearing any socks or shoes now. I don't know why.
No shirt, no socks, no shoes, gang.
On the mound. The Red Sox are up. That's a strike. F***ing karma. Hurry up. Oh my God. We're at the point now where we said F all the causes and we're walking backwards.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah, actually, it's not that bad.
And we got these boys here running forwards.
You're stuck in that old. We ain't at New York.
See an animal. Time to get pegged, boy.
Good hit, man.
No, 1 8.
I hit you.
Kenny hit you.
Bro, how close are you getting?
Come on. Stop moving.
I'm standing right here, hurry up. Like,
Kevin!
Kevin. Kevin.
Kevin! Oh, Kevin. Oh! For all those that don't know why we call our car Kevin, it's a Chev. Kev the Chev.
me and the boys out in the middle of nowhere, going on an adventure.
For ill. For ill.